Chandrayaan-1 was India's first ever mission to the moon, launched by ISRO on 22nd October 2008. It was launched on a modified version of PSLV C-11 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. The launching of the PSLV C-11 with Chandrayaan-1 entered the moon's orbit on 8 November 2008. The Chandrayaan-1 was equipped with a moon orbiter, a lander called Vikram, and Chandrayaan-1 was equipped by a moon orbiter, a lander called Vikram, and a rover called Pragyan. Chandrayaan-1 had a weight of 1,380 kilograms when it launched, and when it reached the moon's orbit, it had a weight of 675 kilograms. The estimated cost of the whole project was $65 million US. Over 70,000 of images of the moon were dispatched on NASA instrument called Moon Mineralogy Mapper. It has also performed moon mineralogical mapping and scout the surfaces for any radioactive elements. Another mission's major achievement was the discovery of water molecules present in the moon's soil. Scientists have speculated that the frozen water near the moon's south pole can be used for various purposes such as generation of rocket fuels, oxygen generation, drinking purposes, and growth of plants. Space mission of Chandrayaan-1 was aimed for remote sensing and planetary science, having a mission life of 2 years. After almost a year, Chandrayaan-1 on 28 August 2009, Chandrayaan-1 lost its contact with the ground station. It had only lasted for 312 days. After a while, ISRO officially declared that the mission was over. However, 95% of the mission's objective was achieved, and it was a huge step forward not only for the ISRO but for the whole world. It was inspired for the future lunar exploration. Chandrayaan-1 shows that now India is ready to fly high in the field of space and science. India is now proud of Chandrayaan-1 and the moon mission, and because of the success of Chandrayaan-1, the Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3 was cleared.
Chandrayaan-2 was the second lunar exploration mission developed by ISRO, also known as Indian Space Research Organization. It consisted of an orbiter, a lander called Vikram, and a rover called Pragyan. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Research Center on 22nd July 2019. The orbiter reached the moon's orbit on 20 August 2019. However, when landing due to a software glitch, it crashed. This was considered as a failed attempt. After this failed attempt, the ISRO has launched Chandrayaan-3, hoping to reach the moon without any complication.
Chandrayaan-3 was India's ambitious lunar mission following the footsteps of its predecessors Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-3 was India's second attempt on achieving soft landing on the moon's surface. It was a project undertaken by Indian Space Research Organization Center to achieve soft landing on the moon's surface and deploy a rover to conduct experiments and gather data. Chandrayaan-3 consists of 3 modules: lander module called Vikram, and rover module called Pragyan, and a propulsion module. When the lander module reaches the moon's surface, a rover comes out and covers the whole surface area of the moon. Lander module will be responsible for the safe landing on moon's surface, and it will carry various instruments to perform and different analyses. Propulsion module behaves like a communication relay satellite. Through Chandrayaan-3, India aims to showcase its technological progress, scientific capabilities, and the commitment to space exploration. If Chandrayaan-3 is a success, it will further strengthen India's position to the space global community. It will inspire young generations to pursue career in science, mathematics, and technologies.